Another way to do this question 10, it says, what is the value of x in the figure shown? So this is 75 and this is 8x plus 1. That means that this angle plus this angle has to give me 180. And if I state that 180 is equal to 75 plus, let's call this value right here y. And I want to get y by itself. I want to find out what this value is. To find that out, I have to simply get y by itself. To get y by itself, I have to get rid of the 75. Since I'm adding 75, I'm going to do the opposite. Opposite of addition is subtraction. Subtract 75 from both sides. 180 minus 75 gives me 105 is equal to y. So this angle right here is 105. Now, because of vertical angles, this angle right here is vertical to this angle right here. Because of the definition of vertical, these two angles are equal to each other, meaning 105 is equal to 8x plus 1. All I have to do is solve for x. How do I get x by itself? First thing I have to do is get rid of the 1, subtract 1 on this side, subtract 1 on this side, and 105 minus 1 gives me 104 is equal to 8x. In order to get 8x by itself, I have to get rid of that 8. Since I'm multiplying, I'm going to do the opposite. The opposite of multiplication is division. So I'm going to divide both sides, because if I do something to one side, I have to do it to the other. So 8 cancels with 8, leaving me x by itself. So 104 is 104 divided by 8 gives me 13, and that's my answer, 13.